In this video, we will learn about how to make the sketch by using Autodesk Fusion 360. So here, consider this point as origin and we will draw the straight line from here for a length of 130. Then we will complete the entire sketch by using a straight line. Then we will change this corner as incline by using chamfer, and we will change this corner and this corner by using fillet command. Come, let's jump on to the sketching. To create a sketch, click on create sketch icon, select the vertical reference plane, select the line command, click on the origin point, move your mouse and give the distance as 130. Click on the position, move your cursor vertically, give the position, distance, then click. So here this distance is 20 mm. Let me type 20, then click here. Then this distance is 20. Then this distance is 20. Then this vertical distance is 20. Sorry, I have changed the distance. This distance is actually 30. So to edit any line distance, double click on the dimension and change the distance. Let's again select the line command. Click over here. This distance is 25. And then let's try to draw a horizontal line that should come up to equivalent to this point. So let me place over there and get a tracking until a horizontal line, then close this. So now we got the sketch except the center circle and this fillet and this chamfer. Now let's try to create the fillet and chamfer. So to create a fillet, go to modify and select fillet. To create a fillet, select the two lines, will automatically create a fillet. So here the fillet radius is 40. So enter the distance and press enter in your keyboard. Similarly, select the fillet, select the two lines over here and change the distance as 25 and press enter. Now along this one, we need to create a chamfer. So go to modify, chamfer and select distance and angle. So in this one, select the vertical line and select the horizontal line. So here the distance is going to be represented here. I'm going to change the distance as 30. And then this angle we are going to change. So click here and try to move and change the value as 50. and then press enter. So now you can see the distance and angle here. Now let's draw the circle at this place. So here the arc on the circle should be concentric. So let's click on the circle command and create the center of the circle at the same point. Over here, click and move your mouse and give the distance value as 40. Press enter. So now we have completed the sketch. To come out of the sketcher window, click on finish sketch and click on the home icon here. To give the extrude, click on the extrude command and click on the profile. Provide the distance. So here any distance is acceptable. So let's give the distance as 10 and give OK. That's all for this video. Thank you.